Tell us about the types of gay, actually, both of them.
I serve feminine features, feminine attributes. I serve femfini. Ifemi what?
Like njengoba like kujola nalabantwana labo wazi ukuthi uyigay.
Kolweni angifuni phela babone ukuthi phela bese endlini ke I am free.
So ka
ngingagrendi yonke into kunama holes.
Hey kune bottom kune base.
Go
Verse.
Yeah, verse.
Vice verse.
Uyadliwa.
Then there's verse top, verse bottom.
Yes.
Verse top.
Wow. Hello. Welcome to heaven.
Welcome back.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hello.
Ninjani?
Sharp, wena.
Nah, man sharp guy. Nami ngisharp. Chok kwenye nenyu le mfana umeketsela MC aka short staff. Mfana unganaza ndwenza izinto zenzeke ngithi oye. Ngithanda abangithandayo, ngithanda abangizondayo cause asikho isikhathi sokugcwalisa inhliziyo ngezinto ezimbi bo darling. Lovers, please continue showing love. I mean siyenza lento and without nina vela yenzakala. Nasazi story. I'm not alone. Nazi la ekhaya. I'm never alone. I'm here with two beautiful ladies, I guess, but bazositshelela bona ukuthi abobani, and yeah, we can start there.
Hello guys, it's your girl Miss Jones, and yeah, I'm happy to be here and finally meeting you guys.
Thank you.
Hi dolls. It's your girl Miss May, the next soft slay sensation, here to bring you a daily dose of Black Slow. I am a PR student at the University of South Africa.
Yeah, wow.
And the customer,
yo, Bafetsu, it's your boy Zane. I'm no longer TK. I'm now Zane from TK. To Zane.
When you change it now and then.
Wait, no, I was in change. Listen, bro. Like things happen. You get me? You feel me? Things happen that people no longer prefer the names that they used to use. They prefer the names that they have now. So my name is Zane, all the way from Johannesburg.
Back was like,
yeah, I remember that you guys know me, but I was just reminding you who I am.
For the new subscribers.
And to you guys, welcome. Hey.
Yeah, welcome.
We are very happy to have you here.
I mean,
feel at home.
There's a lot to learn today. Hey, there's a lot to talk about, and there's a lot to learn. So without wasting any time, guys, Tina Sebaya says the Stella Nischele, like, what's your disability? Like, educate us and educate the viewers about the name of your disability and whatever knowledge you know about your disability. To share information.
My disability is called Larsen syndrome. On my side, it's affecting my lower limbs of the body, meaning I can't walk, and my knees are on the opposite side. So basically, I can't bend my legs. I can't kneel down. But I underwent operations so that my lower foot can, sit up straight.
Oh, yeah.
Comfortable nami. So and everything. So yeah, I'm Larsen syndrome. But I'm happy
khona abanye abantu aba fall under your disability but with different like structures or like something like that.
I think baningi, it's just that like it is a different name, but I feel like it falls under the same syndrome.
Okay. When darling?
I got into a car accident 2009 when I was the age of 3 years old, and I got diagnosed with the disability cerebral palsy. And what else do you want to know?
So like, give me a question. Like, because nami ngi-CP angisho arthritis.
Mm.
So like i-accident there was ukuthi cause umuntu ukuthi abe ne-disability, cerebral palsy.
I was just told that I have
Cerebral palsy.
from the hospital and my previous school.
Yabona manje ngisho ukuthi sizela ukuzofunda because
Yo.
mina I just thought cerebral palsy umuntu one cerebral palsy uzalwa nayo. But then do you mind maybe sharing sharing the accident part, like what happened and like share the story nje, the background about it.
Okay, from what my mom told me, it was like Benya a shop and then there was a car that was chased by the police and then came the motor Leo, it was speeding and then young Chaisa came after then vele kwenzeka lokho kwenzekayo. I went to esibhedlela. I stayed for like 3 months in OR Tambo Hospital in Boksburg and 3 months in Bara.
But nina ninenhlanhla mos thina sizalo kanje nina nibhatalile kuba yihwele.
Like yagena njengoba ngihleli ngithulile mfana. Like nomuntu ngiyamcabanga ukuthi like lezinto ayisho ukuthi hlale 3 months eBara, 3 months OR Tambo ne. Mfethu phela lapha yamaka yokhuluma indaba zeimali zakhe. Sekayawabala nalawo mafacts ukuthi phela isikhathi esingathi cabanga amamiliyoni ayophuma lapha.
No mfana.
Mina wami umsebenzi ukuthi ngihambe ngesasa ngiyofola.
Sizalo kanje laba abanye at least baholile kuba disabled man.
Yo.
And then uyayazi procedure le abayisebenzisayo apply for i-ref or something.
For now I'm under the trust fund. ABSA trust is taking care of me kahle and
So yonke into oyidingayo.
yeah, yonke into engidingayo I email to them and
Bayabhadala.
So uthole leyo nto leyo ngenxa ye accident.
yes, and when I turn a certain age imali zizophuma. I don't know what age, but
Junungayo ka Blue It sacela.
Basically,
Yeah, hey.
Fethu like imali yakho
Utshole na imali emayiphuma yonke utshole na mnetali.
No. Anju ufuna mina June.
mfuna wena.
Manje imali maphuma mama. Iman relax mamelani. Nina understand the procedure. Le procedure le am no June. Mina no June asiyazi sikhamba. Imali.
I proceed.
Ay June man. Mamela. Imali ka June yamazi phuma. Same phela imali ka June ezongena ngo12 ebusuku. Bese uJune uvuka ngo1:30 makathi nka. Hayi 25 million sehleli. Fonela
Mina
mina.
kusendele 50%.
Obvious.
Hayi ukuba i-boyfriend.
Ngangithwala. No. Futhi
Yeah.
before isenda nokuyisenda uyafona ukuthi thokozane sithanda sami sekisikhathi ukuthi sithandane. Hayi futhi fanele ehle phezulu kombheda kucenga amadoda. Athi baba. Athi baba sezingenile phela imali.
Plaza yakujabulisa futhi.
Niyasitraumatize bo. Niyasitraumatize. But yeah man, otherwise the imbuzo for all of us, what challenges do you face every day? What challenges do you face every day?
Like as being gay and also your disability on top of being gay. Like
okay,
when a junior, like when people view you, they can see that you are disabled, ne? And then they can also see that you are gay. Ne? So like in a daily basis, what are your challenges on that? Which abantu like by criticizer ngokuthi we gay ngapha une disability yabo, and by the way uhlala uyiwani yabo. So like yini izinto obhekana nazo as an individual?
I would not say I face this as a daily basis, but I grew up about vele bangihleka bathi uyigay ngapho isihole like bafuna ukubona ukuthi like ngizophelelaphi like balokhu bangihleka nasegrove masegrove like bangihleka ukuthi ngihamba kanjani ngikhuluma kanjani oh but when I look today like at today what's like kwenzakalani ngibona ukuthi uNkulunkulu has improved my life in different ways because like ngeke uzohleka umuntu bese ikhama engabuyi kushayi
sure
when I look at those people now they're trying to be abangani bami babe close namanje ke yabona
kanti dololo awusekho lapho wena Dalini
ayisekho lapho ukuthi nje ngivele ngicabanga ukuthi nje
baka like
ke wangihleba nabangani bakhe
bheka like masibheka lento lene like into engike ngakutshela yona Max ukuthi abantwana ne for example phela manje sesikhode kawo manje sesibadala sesikhuluma ngabantwana isikhathi nathi saseyinqosi like sisasenabo ma 8 9 yabo labantu labo abazali babo they were supposed to teach them about such things yabo mara bona they are not aware of disabilities mara manje njengoba sesikhode kanje beba wrong yabo mara thina sikwazi ukuthi sibabambele ama grudge abanye babo
no we also have to play a role in educating them about
yabo sure
these
also
things yabo remember sometimes singaplay masithi abazali bekumele babafundise mind you those parents are also not even aware about disability yabo so maybe if makungaba nama organization a popular siphume kuma TikTok and just showcase disability I think things will work much better
sambe nezikolo
yabo otherwise wena darling Miss Jones
before ngizophendula ne I just want to say something. Once you accept yourself, once you self-love yourself, once you look at the mirror, uzitshela this is me alone. Nothing in the world can stop you.
For sure. For sure.
For me now, the only challenge that I experience outside the world is abantwana. You know that the looks they give, and not kids only, but also old people. The looks they give, it's very. You can see what umuntu ubheka kanjani. You can see what okay, this look you look sharp, this look actually look sharp. Mara at the end of the day I'm like, so at the end of the day I can't change myself. The only difference with me now, I'm buying a 4x4 when I walk. There's no difference. And
so two lezo zinto zikubeka ku next location darling.
For the fact that I can go to point A to
point B.
Now where you can. Safana. Just that mean I have something that I have to, put myself there. Yabo. And being gay, man, I wouldn't say I have like a challenge because angbonagali uthi gay. Angbonagali. I don't because 90% of people literally she abati you she
so you don't okay yeah
and then akhona mawuthanga come out manje abanye bathatha wona manga
manje like let's say like uhleli inhleli wena
niyashelwa
yeah
so are you in a relationship
no
are you in a relationship
yes
wena ujoli
sikasokujala mina chasing money
ha manje manje like wena ngike ngitshela mfisi like mase like wena ne like anshona nochuna nihamba indawo zini obvious no ithu nhlele nithu yabo manje like manihamba lapha nebo ma groove kufika abafana bakushela ne like makakushela ufika uthi hello when he gets there and they start speaking to you like the guys like do they hi sis
yeah well hi sis most is hi mama sawubona mama chaze ke nami mara there's angithi mina I consider myself as an androgynous gay person because I
Yeah, tell us about the types of gay actually, both of them.
I serve feminine features, feminine attributes. I serve femfini. If me what I
Like
give
kusho
girl
ukuthi like you went up.
vibes.
Yeah, like
I don't. You want to know what? Yeah, sure. Yeah, you know. So that's why it mean I unborn uthi I'm gay, and it makes saying uthi I'm out in private uthi I'm supporting the LGBTQ. I'm not within the LGBTQ. If y'all didn't know me, you're gonna think I'm a girl.
yeah, very let's va.
For sure.
No, mama bela angekho mara ntombazane tombazane. So I never really face challenge in the gay side. Nakhona mangi face is like, hey, I have a lot of problems in my life. You are not even the first. So susa. Don't let negativity pull you down, man.
Oh, excuse. When I telling we type of gay when I fall under Bapi.
I identify myself as transgender.
Yeah, junior.
Because like I want to like I would not say I want to like I feel like a woman. Like I see myself as a woman, like it's one and I see myself having breast, having big ass, you know. Like
Yeah.
So
I would not say I identify myself as gay, but then I see myself as woman. That is why I identify myself as transgender.
When I choose Nyaza Sony Square Singago, but what challenges do you face every day?
Yeah, mina ndone again ka. Mina like where I am now, I don't think I have any challenges. Reason being, like first ever since ne senze izinto like izinto sizenza mina nabo like siyaphuma yabo. Oh, like we actually go out. You get what I'm trying to say? Like we go out, we hang with people, we meet people. Just like today after, we're going to meet people.
For sure.
So that thing has built and created a confidence booster. So it has created a confidence booster to a way that I no longer feel like I have any challenges. Cause you know, dog, I'm very talkative, and I talk a lot. I talk to a point. I was so like, yeah, so I don't have any challenges. Cause any question that someone might have for me, I already have the answer, even if I didn't even think about it. But I have the answer.
For sure.
What are your challenges?
I won't consider them as challenges, but it's just those things as in porayo. I mean, like having fun, basically, ubugera amehlo amakhulu amaningi unnecessary. Or those unnecessary gossips,
Or comments.
Lawo comments, those young things.
No, just like that. Kumla langa lela sime ngaphandle. Bekuyimi uwe singaphandle bonke apha emsebenzini bonke apha ngiyogibela itaxi emsebenzini bese labantwana bayabe basibhekile ngathi nasifuna sithatheni yakho.
Oh yeah. Like kumele kuhlezi kube ne response. Then but darlings asiniphethe fresh namhlanje question after question
And emaningi ne.
When did you notice ukuthi when did you recognize ukuthi you are gay?
And like the feeling
and ifika way like unotice kanjani okay mina I'm gay now?
Okay, you know the society with Injan when it comes to the LGBTQ people, there are a lot of words, there are a lot of sayings. So for me, when I got to that point in life, I was in denial because as mutak church, I okay to judge, and I was still young, still naive, and everything. So until the man, And I'm like, you know what? Fuck bona. Abangithengeli impahla, abangenzi lutho. Imini ngivukayo. So I was like, you know what? Ayike ngone ngiphume. Nakhona ukuphuma ku useless because angibonisi. So uthi ngiphume nje ngithi you know what? I'm gay. I na effect. I na next.
So okay, think you get uqedele limpendulo.
Mara mina gay. Tunonke nibukele, I'm gay. G-A-Y. Gay. I'm not a girl. Mara ke mani ngibona izintombazana. That's a compliment. Clock it. Shoot ngiyababa ke.
Are there any guys eGroove abake bafuna ukuhamba nawe?
Abaningi. You know what I love
And
about,
what did you do after that? Yeah.
You know what I love about, group people. Okay, from my experience, I've never, came across people who are rude. They don't even see disability when they approach me. Now they tell me, I'm not looking at your wheelchair. I'm not looking at your condition.
I'll take them Tilly. I'm looking. Tilly.
So and me being me guys,
Abamig.
Vuga mahamba nabo wena. Bafuna ukuhamba nawe.
Okay, ukhona wahamba naye.
Ukhona wahamba naye.
Yeah, ukhona.
He was into yazingiyela. Was he aware mageza kuwe ukuthi uyakhe? Are you sure ukuthi awu notice kangaka ukuthi uyakhe? He wasn't aware. So man figure la beniya khona then abona ukuthi actually this guy is
he wasn't aware. Because when we got to where we were going Valley. When Valley yeah. You know
Hey, come on.
It's got to a point where he was like, okay, wait a minute. That's when the question arises.
Oh, yeah.
Are you a girl or are you gay? I don't know what this person gonna do to me. Gay.
Yeah.
So what's when you do Mazan?
No, I'm gay, dude. I'm gay. Yabo. Nigga was like, okay, cool, then you can continue.
Ha!
Na continue.
Nico lento le begi one night or like in the like in the morning man we send the
Yeah, I understand.
Mara like azanga beninking ukuthi like a wiki what's a feeling.
Nah, dog bakhona abantu aba accepted. Like, keep it back, dog.
Njengoba ngisho, when you're doing things behind closed door.
Sure.
Like anata because iyohlala phakathi kwenu. Like you're gonna go out there and fafazing with
kwenzeke so
we did it.
No, yeah, it's var.
Enye into ebulala ama gay dog is that ebumnandini for ama gay mawamakwa they don't want to say ukuthi
ngike
dog like ngike.
Sure, it's var.
So out ipantsula lona lethi liziphandele
lizibambeli mate
ufika la endlini uyabona fuck ngipopha size 2 awumkhami loyo muntu ka you are not aware dog why mangakutshela ukuthi
mara you know what but
like
you know what I think ne when anyiko nawe tune like when you go to Groove like there are other people that come to you intentionally not intentionally knowing that no this person is gay but I'm onto them cause you remember mina nawe we used to speak let's say sahlata flane one back at school ukuthi like mawufika mawhlangana nomfana the first thing enikhuluma ngayo yini yabo obviously angisho bohlala ungitshela ukuthi before mawhlangana nomfana ohlala kubuza ukuthi ucaka kubuza ukuthi uyintombazana okumfana and then now umchazise ukuthi no I'm gay mara still anywho nihambe noyithu yabo so like I feel like akona ma out like there are many guys that are gay but they feel like they can they're not gay, they are bisexual.
No, they're bi-curious.
Yini bi-curious man because
young bi-curious like they wanna like they're curious about the same sex. Like they wanna try out, they wanna experience. So bi-curious, so until you actually taste it, and again maybe taste it again.
Enjoy again.
Yazi babathi into emnandi
chocolate.
into emnandi yaphila.
Nigga, kubuza i-question. Kubuza like lo muntu lo wahlangana naye. Okay, wabuya futhi orenenza kayiwani.
Mina she maybe one understand.
Oh manje makangabuya kuwe akufonela athi ngiyacela phela sihlangane
Hayi phela amanamba washintsha. Angizophinda futhi understand means one night stand siphelela lapho.
Ayunyika dangerous ngikho. Ngikho dangerous.
Let's ngithi mina mangise groove abashaba what I'm going with bashibile na.
Miss Jones.
Bashibile na.
Miss May, when when did you like recognize what actually gay and like if you got to what point like ubona kanjani ukuthi oh akuso kwami lokho kwamantombazana lokho.
Oh, okay. Ngisakhula vele growing up. My stepmother was the first person to acknowledge my sexuality, and she was okay with it. And Babami was there and there, man.
Yeah.
And then I lived in Pilozi Double. When I'm at home, I'm free. When I'm at school, like that. And I remember I dated 2 girls from primary school.
Yo.
So why utshwala nalabantwana labo wena engqondweni bowazi ukuthi I'm gay?
I knew ukuthi I'm gay.
So like njengoba like ujola nalabantwana labo wazi ukuthi uyi-gay. Like mawukhuluma nabo like when khuluma like ezabantu abathanda naye.
Endoda ujuju ke propose esikela ndoda propose.
Urubulo.
Beku lebu.
Unabomthanda like at that point where you feeling like you're bisexual or like where you feeling like maybe you can maneuver around yourself being gay and also dating a girl at the same time.
Angazi shemguthi ngathi like
Mara bomthanda ne.
But like I was as I'm saying ukuthi I was living
a double life, sure.
Esikolweni angifuni phela babone ukuthi phela bese endlini ke I am free ukuthi I'm this person, I can go around ngibona abafana esikolweni ke ngiyaqonda but there was
kanti yini enzima kangako ngokukama out
esikolweni like into engiconfused the most ukuthi like mina I feel like Juna if umamakho okay not even umama because abo mama they are more supportive more than abo baba it's that's basic knowledge and wisdom like mara abo baba if baba kho se acceptile ukuthi you gay why fanele uzichafe esikolweni because like baba kuyazi and the first thing abantu abazoyenza esikolweni ukuthi bazokhuluma ukuthi Juna is gay bayizulise sonke isikolo batshele nabo teacher so like what was the reason like bekuyini into ekwenza ukuthi usabe ukuthi mase esikolweni ube gay and enyenza kuwe Mrs Jones.
Angazi shame because I think like mengisaba ukuthi abantu bazothini but there was a time lapho ngithi shame noma ngathiwa I remember I met some guy cousin kamngani wami okay the guy liked me and I'm like and he wanted our relationship to be public vele. And then I came out esikolweni. I broke up with the girl I was dating currently. Ngimtshela ukuthi girl listen
Nami intombazana.
Kingwanyana wa technology so and the girl didn't take the news very well. Azange sakhulumisa
So kushuthi bekakuthanda kakhulu wena bomthanda kodwa
bengimthanda
wawuhleka kuqala before vuvu
How?
no bengimthanda but I guess like you know man living a double life manish ngapho ufuna ukuba free ngapha yabona
Yeah.
ngeke uphilela abantu bele uziphilele wena so vele girl didn't take the news well azake sakhulumisana for like weeks and then umngani girl whom was my friend too was reconcile like sakhuluma kahle
When no girl. So like you mustn't okay sharp. Ugeli umtshelile ukuthi no yazi baby girl mamela. I'm also a girl. I'm sure. Like umlandile that's okay baby girl mamela. We need to talk about something very important. And this is crucial because this will lead to our breakup because I'm also a girl. And then after lap you had a friend speaking to lawyer girl lawyer. And then now we're coming into the picture, right? So like masenhleli phansi nikhuluma like nabo somtsho ukuthi no yazi baby dali like bengikuthanda but ngiyakuthanda but then into engivimbele emuva ukuthi nami mina nawe we share the same hormones just that I'm not a girl but like mina nawe si share ngithanda abafana and nawe uthanda abafana
Mina ngizwa yonke lento enikhulumayo sengizola ubhlungu lamantombazana ajole noJulu.
Because like that's why ngimbuza ngamuka understand ukuthi like masekathola umuntu uyamuza uthi uJuna beka head lo yamntana ngisho so mina ngibuzela ukuthi like masekathola ichance ukuthi akhulume naye phela it's not like uJuna umchitelile azidanga uyakena ukuchitela ugel ungcono akukho ngcono but like ngibona ukuthi like okay mawuchitela ugel phela fanele uchaze ukuthi omfethu ngikuchitele bekuyi mistake ugel osono so bekuyiphutha ngazi kwenzakala nani and nawe ifona mangazi uyibambelana but uJuna akachitanga but ukhethu samtshe ukuthi you know what I'm also like you yabo so like into engifuna ukuyi understand lapho ukuthi like mawuceda ukumtshela uyele wa understand yena ukuthi you know what this is it there's nothing we can do about it.
From my understanding I think it's like bekasane like dale yadole ya
Uvela accept
cause like
ayikho futhi into bekazo
siqine saphila sonke like as
izeni ngabangani
as girls esikolweni nje saphila sonke sloku like hang out sonke nje
Yeah man, otherwise let's jump with culture like ekhaya gents. Oh sengithi gents.
but another thing guys it's very beautiful to see ukuthi nikwazile ukuthi niphume ku closet especially wena Nyiko. It's very beautiful to see ukuthi you were able ukuthi uphume ku closet because I remember back at high school I used to ask you constantly, bro, are you gay? And I would even tell you ukuthi I would not azakwate unyiko abenyimbuza ngithi Nyiko are you gay like we gay yini unyiko ayazathini asa yangisike yabona soza like okay like yini into okwenza ukuthi mase esikolweni like usifihla ukuthi we gay but mase uphuma esikolweni ukwazi ukuchasela ukuthi ukwazi ukuphuma bozama kusaba abantu bazokujudge
beside that man kakhulukazi wena like I feel like when you were too in this belief ukuthi kune Adam no Eve.
Yes.
So
okay.
I ngithi ke bengisaba because of
I
you.
I remember Juna na Setaflane.
I won't say ukuthi I didn't come up because of you or anything, but I'm saying what like esikolweni manish no man. Ngena upgrade, ngona upgrade kanjani manje? Downgrade esikolweni ngoba against esikolweni downgrade.
I'm a straight back.
So like look at me now. Look at me now.
Yes.
Like I'm harder than my old self. So like
you handshaking le.
Handshake it's my best conversation. Yeah, so like yeah man, esikolweni man ish guys, nakhona bekuningi man. Esikolweni hayi bekuningi. So ukuthi ngicome out hey.
Nyeke kuzokube easy.
Na. And nakhona mina bengibelieve ukuthi nalapha esikolweni vele uyokhona after 9.
Home school.
na like sengiyasho asikho isikole sabafana
Hey, Ima, maka like ngifuna ukubuza Ima, ngokubuza. Okay, wena June ukho mthola umuntu eHope School. Ungabizi igama.
Amagama ayedwa yes.
Hope School.
Yes.
Ukuthi like wena nayi nibe.
Yes.
Nkosi. It's not a bad thing. Anyway, it's not a bad
thing. There's no hostel, boys or even girls. No, can straight never.
Vele bebakhona phakathi.
Amantombazana khona after 9. Nana I mean ama lesbians khona after 9.
Yeah, vele. Khona ama-les athanda ama-outing. Ngicabanga ukuthi smart. Aphuma sekunje.
Sonke after 9 inkinga majority is on the guys.
Hayi ama-les akhona ntwana. I don't want to lie to you. Ama-les akhona, ama-lesbian athanda bafana and abanye bakhona bayamitha babe nabantwana. But there is nothing wrong.
Like I think it's okay. Yeah, bakhona after 9 really, but I think nalaba mithayo it's an agreement between Bona and their partner.
Okay.
Kunento bebiza open relationship.
Open.
Yes.
Or lento yokuthi like umuntu wami can be with anyone else.
Yeah, he can.
But not me because savumelana.
No. An open relationship is like siyathandana ne but ngathi wena ngidlele.
Angeke.
Mara ngiyakhona ubuyela kuwe.
Zokubulala.
Niyathandana but mawuphuma you don't go create another relationship. Ni creator yeah.
No like him.
Yeah,
okay, yasina mina angeke ngikwazi ukuvumela umuntu wami ukuthi athande nami aphinde athandane nomunye umuntu. Ngicona ngihluka.
But lezo zinto zayenzeka and ngibona kwamanye ama podcast bakhuluma kawabogele bathi mina I hope umfazi wami angivumele le. Bathi open relationship one sided. Relationship the only one that is allowed to go
and do my things and mesmerize myself.
No,
I have a question. How sure you ukuthi akayenzi?
Uyayenza vele.
How sure let's say
uyavumelana
nawe uthi ya ungayenza but how sure are you ukuthi wena angeke ayenze?
Uzoyenza.
No, mina ngaloko mina ke sharp. Ayisho sivumelene we had an agreement. Bakavumile. So mina I might not be sure ukuthi uyayenza or but once nga find out nje
it's over.
Yena sekayazi ukuthi wrong. Mina at least I have nothing to hide anymore.
Cause uyazi.
I'm say sitafuleni.
And then uyazi.
Yabo, and then uyazi. Before iphela bafethu senze culture la ekhaya chaotic thought. So basically sifuna nje nisitshele into enicabangayo currently and we'll just talk about that.
Okay, mina ngicela ngiyami cause going that way I feel like chaotic thoughts wabo they are much more interesting.
Okay.
So mina chaotic thoughts bafethu since iSouth Africa ishaye eKorea. Ubona iKorea beyithena kanjani?
You are so intense.
Bethu labantu abayabeKorea bebakapa lezinto amna ngeke never insimbi iyehla so yena uyagijima uyakuyishanga ehlobo ha ubuhlungu obungaka
sabadla still
mara thina sawina still so like nina ngebelief yenu shapo Ronaldo there's a possibility ukuthi angayeka allegedly angayeka ibhola beno Messi allegedly banga drop
no I think Ronaldo ikaguarantee good okay not ukuthi angayeka ibhola but it's their last World Cup because the World Cup is after 4 years
so like nina ngicabanga ukuthi yipi team ezowina iWorld Cup
nayibukela World Cup
nanyazo ukuthi uzothwile team ka Ronaldo vele wena
yeah for sure bro
mina ngicela kwini South Africa even if abantu abana faith but mina ngicela kwini South Africa
I do have hope in South Africa actually I think South Africa like it has a possibility yokuwina since ishayene South Korea ne Canada sinayidlala namhlanje ka usiwini but besides that if not South Africa I think Portugal will take it though. Reason being Ronaldo is the GOAT bro. Mfana no Messi is a GOAT. Kune deputy principal kune principal kuyonke into. Yabo? Numbers are talking. Mfana ukuthi wena uzoza nge debate yakho story sakho ukuthi in uRonaldo uyona obreak ama records amaningi kwibhola nani whatever kwenzakalani, but to cut it short, I think Portugal might take the World Cup, and I want it to win it because it's the ghost last World Cup. So why am I ngiyogidla ngento egrand, man?
Yo, mfana.
It's worth it.
What's your chaotic thoughts? My chaotic thought, this guy just smashed it. What's your chaotic thoughts?
My chaotic thought is like, I don't know what it's gays or girls, they like the competition, man.
Gays
The
versus girls.
thought of the competition would say, because lo ugqoka kahle or this one yabona nje kuningi.
Okay, sharp. Like a competition between amagay namantombazane. Like when, ne? Like, cause you are gay, right? So like, if umfana ushela wena, akashela umngane wakho wentombazane, ingane wakho yentombazane yakwata. Uphatheka kabi.
Or maybe let's start what causes the, like why mele kube i-gay versus girls, i-cause yayo yonke lento le.
I think it's like in terms of fashion, ukuthi ubani ugqoka kahle, ubani
Oh,
ugqoka
it's not because
kabi,
of boys or something else.
nokuthi, like
Khona nayo.
obuhle, like it's ukuthi you can be gay ube muhle bese wena like uzitshela ukuthi like uhlula intombazane.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
when the problem starts. It's like, why are you competing with the girl?
And then so it's gays versus gays. Ama-gays are competitor wodwa.
Ima, okay, sharp. Like, okay, I understand, honestly speaking. Into ama-gay, ngisazama uku-understand and ngicane ngifundiseni. Anye ngikhulume kabi ngizozama ukuthi ngi-simplify into engizoyisho ne.
Okay.
Like, ikhona ama-gay anentshebe. Bese bagcoka impahla zamantombazane. Bese kube khona ama-gay afana nani ne. Agcoka impahla zamantombazane anina ntshebe. When Anyiko, you look like a girl. Now, Junior, you look like a girl. Ne? You guys don't have beard. You don't have. But like,
Kunamagay afana njengawe i-out so but awashela amantombazane ushela abafana kuphela.
so ka
Yeah,
njenga.
like grand yonke into kunama-holes.
Kune-top.
Hey, kune bottom, kune base.
Go.
Verse,
Verse,
i-verse.
verse.
Verse.
Yeah, i-verse.
Vice verse.
Uyadliwa.
Then there's verse top, verse bottom.
Yes.
Verse top, verse bottom.
Eh,
If verse bottom intention.
verse bottom, like you top occasionally, but jalo uyadliwa. And verse top when you bottom occasionally, but you always.
Uyadla.
Hey, okay.
Let's do things complicated.
Yeah. Mina bengifuna ukubuza man, nina namagay wena ngokwakho ukhe wajola negay?
Like
I think amagay ngokwawo awafunani dog. Why is that so, or is that cap?
And bayabifa.
Yeah,
Bayabifa.
Uzwe like intombazane, like for example uJunior igay bese azoshelwa yenye igay, uzujuju athi nah, she's too gay for me. Kanti ufuna bumvu gay.
like mina, for me, I want like umuntu ojeko like yabona.
Yeah.
Obuke like masculine. Ngeke uzothi hi chubby, hey.
Hi, babe.
Like no.
Now oh Ima, oh okay, sharp. Like when nina no itu. Ansho no itu ngamagay. Angikwazi ukuthi njole.
Kanjani?
No, we are feminine.
We are feminine.
So nina ningalaba ningamantombazane bugayini.
Yes.
We are the girls in the relationship.
So
Maybe kanjani?
yeah, man. Okay, you are the girls in the relationship, sharp. Bese umfana ulo njani? Ulo how
Masculine.
Like
Who's score?
Not like-
No, like it's more like umfana ku relationship.
Hey,
man.
like
Yes,
who's presenter
undoda
as
relationship.
you guys like angeke umthola thi
agqoka amaroko.
So-
Yes,
no.
I ain't ngizofake wrong,
Uzofake wrong.
come on.
Okay,
Yeah.
sharp. Man, okay, okay, mina ndenga understand, sharp. Man communicate ne. yena makakhuluma uthini wena uthi kuye like like okay singenze example mina nomuntu wami masikhuluma ngithi kuye for example baby ngicela kuthenga ukudla ne hamba uphaka ekseni masivuka baby hamba uvulela amanzi sizogeza baby yenza ibreakfast
angisho I choose the
So kusho ukuthi-
gay laba
That's
amantombazana ithathe esivi labo gay labo umfana nentombazana ne laba amantombazana
ujona nonyiko
ya kunalabo gay abofana wena umfana wegay
akungathi mina phela
yadala
And
but
it's
yeah
like,
something like that
Yeah.
like
so usho ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi mina ngibe umfana bese laba baba amantombazana
as I've mentioned that we out but like we out yonke into ringa njenge out yonke into yenza njenge out but we are just into boys.
It's like a
And
normal
then-
a straight couple. The girl is the gay the feminine gay, feminine throughout, like feminine.
oh
and there's like
baba.
both like nibe abafana wethu nibukeni ngabafana bethu but nazane ukuthi
lo intombazana
niyazana.
Yes.
oh yeah
Hey, like you can look like so vele nibe two like masculine no two
Bese
but,
sidlane still.
hey, still
No,
And the
ngeke.
topic ngabhali AC.
But I
Maria yafana nama
Yo,
lesbian yafana nama lesbian
like
khona ama lesbian ukuthi baya lo munye umfana lo munye intombazana mara boyithu bagcoka amaroko
And the thing is called like stud, femme, butch.
ziningi lezi.
ngiyabonga mina
And
cousin
then last question is that last question is that I've seen a scenario where a lesbian lijola negay and banabantwana labo bantu labo.
i lesbian yilo libana but yeah
yilo linabantwana.
so kusho ukuthi i lo yike u
So
nalo
ningayi-explaina
oyi-lesbian.
kanjani
Guys,
le?
I get it because okay now since I don't know much about it, but now I view it as a straight relationship.
heterosexual
Yeah, heterosexual relationship because I mean obviously the woman can get the guy pregnant of course. Yeah, because
Yeah, yeah.
akana semen. Musada anali semen.
Mina as mina bengivikiwa kanjani ngikutshela. I thought ugirl ne uyayidinga out but he just wants to be a man in a relationship, take charge lezo zinto lezo.
Yes,
Yazi
right.
lento leyo ukuthi like okay ngiyafuna ukuba igay ne or ithi ngintombazana ngiyafuna ukuba iles ne but still ngiyayifuna leya service
and then nama feelings
yeah boys
wama-
yeah
there are
so
those type of girls because I met some girls last year go Eastern Pride and one beslina etafuleni she was dating a lesbian vele a girl in lesbian yakhe she was like amkwatele ukuthi why is she seeing other guys ukuthi like
what's wrong with that 'Cause
asho ukuthi ugaya ukuthi yena angeke abulawe ufuna into yabo yeah asho ukuthi like yena she considers herself bisexual not fully lesbian
okay I
wow this
understand.
is so nice
Otherwise,
ah
I don't know. Come on.
buzo khuluma
Otherwise, what's your chaotic thought, darling?
Jonas.
hey
Jonas, come on, bro.
bega mamela like woza kutshela iqiniso lemsulo ne I love God, I'm a Christian, but if I was put in a position where I would become Jonas I would, but I would avoid the part of getting sick with HIV, but then I would be Jonas. Ask me why.
Why?
Not because of the women, but Jonas is man, and anything that Jonas wants, he gets. Yeah, so like he made his brother a fool to stay with his wife for like 16 years. That fool, that guy was staying with the brother's wives, and as he was there, he was not doing anything with her. He was just sleeping in the guest room.
But I think for Jonas to be who he became, it was because of two women,
For sure.
AC and Joyce.
And Joyce, for sure.
AC took her working her salon money and gave it to Jonas to tell your food. Joyce, since
Ukhulume
Joyce,
nobabakhe.
she's from the rich family.
Yes.
And they gave what dealing business.
Yeah.
Those are the both women that had an impact on Jonas
Sure.
to become who he is or he was. Yabo.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
yeah, vele us Akile, going, but ukuthabe nje uJoyce no AC.
So nina ke kuleyo series ubani owabo bani enibazwela ubhlungu kakhulu?
Me personally think ukuthi uMpume.
Uzola umpume kakhulu.
Umpume mntana kaJonas.
Yeah, ubani omzola ubhlungu, ubani ofila ngathi ulayekile?
Mina ngizwela ubhlungu uJoyce, because Joyce is the wife. And uJonas he done all those things, even slept with umngani womntanakhe. But umuntu engamzwela ubhlungu ufana ukuthi ulayekile. Ulindani ulayekile. Ulindani because usile. And wenze kahle uJonas wafakela ulindani HIV. He did a good thing. But uJonas naye ulayekile ukuthi aphathwe iHIV bese aze afe.
But Ulindani gave uJonas gonorrhea.
Yeah.
Gonorrhea. And then why tell HIV ubani
Yo.
ugelo wasejele.
Lakhe libaphuma ejele.
Angithi lo beka khona uJoyce.
Makuphuma ejele.
Because they were showing the cell. Yeah, they were showing a cell.
Oh nyakhumbula basherisela.
So wena darling ubani ofila ngathi ulayekile, ubani omzola ubhlungu?
Okay, engimzwela ubuhlungu uMpume. Engifila ngathi ulayekile
You can give reasons to.
Okay, Umpume. I feel like Umpume, firstly, I think Umpume is firstborn.
Yeah.
Ngibona kwami.
Because umfana kubo
Because
iswaka.
freedom is they're not
Afumkana ka,
related.
yeah.
So Umpume
Firstborn kaJonas.
is firstborn. And then I'm sure kuze la between uSara noMenzi. Angazi
No, after umpume umenzi bese kuza uSara.
sure ukuthi ke. I feel like Umpume, I feel sorry for her because she have seen the trauma yabazali bakhe.
Yeah.
She carried everything. And manje she has to be strong, she has to be there for umamakhe because umamakhe uyena uhathekayo kakhulu. And now makusona phela impilo yakhe ayisakhona ukuqhubeka because number one, there's always screamings in the house. There's always fights in the house. Especially when that part when she was reading Babakhe letter. Damn. Imagine also ufundela umuntu iletha.
Bese yenza into yakhe.
Yes, yes. Yo, bekukhohlakala lokya.
And then worst part Ulindani. What she said to her when she went to fetch impahla zakababakhe. Imagine your best friend saying
Best friend.
Wow.
your
Best
sister
friend.
slept with your boyfriend and me now I'm sleeping with your father.
Yo.
Damn. Imagine like when unomtholo omningi and we won. And then long feel ngathi ulayekile kakhulu. I guys Jonas man. I understand to guys salamba vele and ulambela abanye abantu nemara come on man. Hayi. Amkhophulo umngaka.
How nomkhopolo.
I just think uJonas okay, izofika kimi uthi ngingayimosha. Wena ubani?
Mina, I think engimzala ubuhlungu it's because she used her money to send a boy to a university like no girl like malaki bese like magabuya like uyakufihla still
Yeah, yo.
like
Lesafihle nomntwana wakho.
leyo part leyo like ingiveza ubuhlungu vele ukuthi like such things really happen vele esikhathini samanje. And then umuntu vele ngibona ngathi uyalayeka. I would say it's Lindani, cause why would you go for older man
and your friend's father?
Your friend's father?
Yeah.
Cause yeah, be like Johnny.
Yeah, kuningi okwenzakalayo kule story le. But for me, mina I think I view as different, but mina umuntu engimzwelayo nami ya u-AC. Okay, hayi yena kuphela, but umuntu engimzwela kakhulu u-AC, because I mean like noma ngashadwanga kuqala, but uye oqala and like akenzanga next wrong to ukuthi athole i different treatment ebhlungu kanje from uJonas, while bonke abanye okay akabaphathi kahle, but at least bona phila kangcono than US. And I think US bekahleza la for
uJonas
because
uzombhadala ne school fees.
Yeah, from ukumbhadalela school fees bese ube khona, even though ufihliwa kufihla umntana wakho
bese ushada nomunye umfazi uJonas, bese ushada noAC behind the scenes, bese uthi uAC apresente nobhuti wakhe. That's pure cruelty.
Yeah man. Then umuntu engifila ngathi ulayekile ulo ozala ama twins lo yami.
Why?
Why yena lo ulayekile because he
bamshayile kodwa.
Firstly and bamshaya nambe ngizomshaya, okay. But no,
son.
like Mamera talk. Like listen, he chose the wrong brother, and he was very genuine.
He was very genuine.
Number one. Number two, like usitholi isikhathi sokuhamba, like uJoyce uzamile bekazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. It's like ndodo uyazi ukuthi kuneyinyoka lapha but wena ufuna ukuyoya einyokeni ungana nesibhamu sokudubula. Uyabona? That's one of the things.
Umbonile umphume mangathi ucabuza.
Kule party leyo ukuthi bamshaya kawo. Bekazama ukwenzani? Makafuna ukuthatha imali kaJonas
yonke.
Akayisebenzelanga.
uJonas umshaya ngensimbi ebhandi.
Bekumela amhama.
Umbonile umphume mangathi ucabuza umalume.
Hey, nyadala guys, like I don't angivumelani ngokushayana ne, but it's just that
Usara athi ucabuza umalume wakhe uMagesh. What? Hayi wenzani?
If uMagesh bozwenzani bozomcabuza.
Nambe uzosa wenzani?
Makafuna umntwana wakhe bekazomcabuza
wela.
Umntwana akasiswama bafika. Abantu babulela.
Hayi wela.
Hawu John, uthengise ebantwini manje.
Soko.
Akusathandi wena.
Awuyangithanda sokhuluma.
It's over.
The polygamist. We deserve a season 2. I don't know about y'all, but we do deserve a season 2.
Thing is kuzwenza yikhethi kutote yami le ngiyabonga vele for kuyiqala. Like man cabanga kuzwenzakalani ku season 2. Because uJonas akasekho.
For me, I think Menzi is Jonas now. You see.
Yeah, uzothatha over.
And I feel like Ulindani is AC. It's going to be AC.
Hayi Ulindani uzoba uAC kanjani?
Ulindani basically Ulindani uAC. Because Menzi soka uJonas and ayeka phela ngoAC kuphela. Phela waqala ngereceptionist.
Yeah. Ayakulindani ngiyamngabo kababakhe cabanga.
So like yeah man. And again, I thought Matipa no Menzi were gonna.
Kanjani umamncane wakhe?
But nami into bengicabanga because of the way he put it, the way behamba ngakhona.
Yeah, it was going there.
And I think nami mokhuluma kanjalo mina umenza ngaba uJonas to the point where afike nakubo kubonto vele kubo Matipa nani ngokubheka istory nje.
Because especially when Matipa said utheni you such a what mzuzu fake gown uphume eshaweni. So everyone was telling it was like oh okay
kwenza ke
kanti dolo lo
kwenza ke
yeah boss. So yeah man, I think we know what's gonna happen, we just don't know which twist are gonna be there.
Man, thank you very much bafethu if ufikile kule point kule stage kule paragraph